per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamilton, West Point, Pine Mountain, Waverly Hall, Riverview, Ellerslie, FD, Roosevelt State Park, Cannonville, Jones Crossroads, Boss Crossroads, Whitesville, Pine Lake, and Long Cane. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.